Listen, let's address the elephant in the room. You messed up the mac and cheese for Thanksgiving. And don't get defensive, you know you did. The top was pale, the middle was confused, and the bottom, unseasoned witness protection program. People took one scoop and quietly put it back. Your auntie stared at you like she wanted to revoke your last name. Somebody whispered, "Who told them to bring this?" And before you knew it, there was a whole side group chat created in your honor. But guess what? This is your comeback story. This is your redemption arc. This is the part in the movie where you walk in slow motion with confidence because you know what's coming. Christmas is approaching, and baby, it's time to redeem yourself. Look at this mac and cheese on the screen right now. This is how you get your respect back. This right here, this is how you're going to make your cousins stop side-eyeing you. This is how you make the aunties put your name back on the can-cook list. This is how you silence the group chat for good. Because this mac and cheese, smooth, melty, thick in all the right places, the cheese pulls, the top layer, crispy like your credit score finally went up. It's giving confidence. It's giving main character energy. It's giving, don't play with me, I came to perform. You need a redemption dish so good that people question if you went to culinary school between holidays. A pan so perfect that when you walk in, they say, okay, somebody's been practicing. A pan so elite, they played it and suddenly everyone wants a photo for memories. A pan so dramatic that even the family member who doesn't like you will ask, who made this? And when they hear your name, they'll blink twice and say, oh, wow, growth. Haters. That's what this mac and cheese does. It restores reputation, it heals family trauma, and it makes you look reliable again. You see how creamy this looks? How the cheese is acting like it's auditioning for a commercial? Now it sits in the pan like it's warming up to deliver a TED Talk. That's what I call holiday redemption energy. You pulled up with the struggle macaroni for Thanksgiving. It's okay. We've all been there. But now you're about to walk into Christmas dinner like Beyonce at Coachella. The whole room will shift. Somebody's going to say, wait, you made this? And you'll just smile, humble but dangerous, like, yeah, I did. Because once the mac and cheese hits the table, those same people who dragged you into the group chat are going to be fighting for the corner piece. The same family members who avoided your dish last time will be scraping the pan like they're searching for answers. You wanted a foolproof recipe. This is your lifeline, your second chance, your do-over. And when they taste it, oh baby, they're not talking about you in the side chat anymore. They're talking about your food. They're fighting over who gets leftovers. Somebody's going to try and claim the pan by accident. The family will nominate you for mac and cheese duty permanently. And honestly, you'll deserve the title. So, here's your point of view. You messed up Thanksgiving, but Christmas is your comeback concert, and this mac and cheese is your headliner. Let them talk, but this time let them talk about how good it is. You may find my recipe in the description bar below. Thank you.